Hello, all. Welcome to today's session on moderating analysis. Before running the moderating analysis, let's try to understand what is the meaning of moderator. Moderator means that there is no path that is drawn from the moderator to the different variables in the model. So that means there is no direct relationship between the moderator and the different variables that we had taken. So now, what is the moderator doing? A moderator is actually affecting the strength of the relationship of the variables in the model, the level of which the moderator is. The moderator can be matrix or categorical. Now, let's go for running a moderating impact. Now, since the moderator is already run here, we will just go back to the base model. Let's take our model in which we wanted to add. Basically, the moderating or the mediating variable, if you're having, you will be including it in the very initial, that is during the time of your measurement model itself. But now here in this case, I am trying to add it now. Let's add a moderating variable which is considered as a switch cost. Okay, so now we are going to add this as a moderator. Now let's try to connect this to that of the relationship on which you wanted to test. Now here I'm trying to see the moderating effect of switch cost on customer satisfaction to that of customer loyalty. Now let's go for calculating bootstrap, and then we will go for running a bootstrap. Now here basically it will help you in understanding how the strength or the relationship between these two, how significant it is or how much strength it is giving it. So we are trying to look into the path coefficient, your coefficient value, as well as your significance level. Now here, once the results are computed, you can see that whenever you're going to add switch cost as a moderating variable here, this relationship is negative. That's a path coefficient value is showing as negative, and also the relationship is insignificant. So we can say that the switch cost is not impacting this relationship. Now suppose let's assume that if the values are coming as significant, then we will be reporting it in the either way, mentioning that the switch cost is having an impact on this relationship. And also you will also be supporting it with the explanation that you have got for your study, and also the hypothesis that you have developed for the same. So this is all about your moderating effect. Thank you.